So with the Power BI view we constructed here, we have this monthly return by security in December 2023. Um, well, sometimes you may think, well, here we have just a stock return for each stock, and different firms may be located in different states. So I may ask a question, how about the stock return, the average stock return for firms located in the same state? Can we have that information? Well, that requires you, of course, to summarize the stocks located in one particular state, averaging their return, and report this statewide average. Okay, so that's what we are going to do now. We are going to add something to this bureau and make the report this state level information. To do that, of course, we need to introduce the headquarters state for each stock, which fortunately is available here already. So if you go to data pane, uh, expand the daily data set, okay, somewhere down below here, you will see this variable called HQ state. That's a headquarters state for each security. All right. So let's click on this one and hold your mouse and drag it all the way down here. Okay, all the way down here. So that's gonna be visualizations, build visual, x-axis. You wanna locate HQ state above the security here. All right, so it's gonna be located here. Yeah. Well, now you can see instead of reporting stock return at security level, we now have average stock return actually at the state level. Although here the title of the video doesn't change. Okay, we can do that later, but for the content, it has changed after we drag that HQ state to this y-axis and locate it above security. If somehow, for example, when you drag it, okay, let's do it one more time. Let's clear it. When you drag this guy here, if you locate it below security, all right, if you locate it below the security variable, you see here the variable are still presenting the stock return for each security. The reason I want to locate the HQ state actually above here, I can move it here. Well, I believe I can move it here. Yes. The reason you want to locate HQ state above security is because there's a kind of hierarchy relationship here. For each HQ state, it contains a number of securities. So here, locate the HQ state above security kind of give Power BI the sense that here's a hierarchy. Okay, for each state, there will be, so under each state, there will be many different securities. So once Power BI see this kind of natural hierarchy there, it will just present stock return at the HQ state level. So this is a way you add another layer, and it's actually a higher level. Okay, state is going to be higher. I mean, the level of the state is going to be higher than the security level. Okay, and now we're summarizing stock returns within each state. If you move your mouse here, you will see those buttons now becomes available. We talked about those buttons before. They are called drill up, drill down. Okay. Here again, we have a kind of hierarchy. So for Alabama, for example, if you right click on the bar, you can drill down. Okay. The drill down function now is available. You click on this, well, you can see the securities located in Alabama. Okay, you can see the individual securities monthly return there. Okay, then if you click on drill up, we're going to be restored to the state level average returns. You can do a next level, then this will drill down all the way to the security level without showing state level information. And again, for example, if you click on 3M, you can drill up, and we're now restored back to the state level average stock return. One more thing I want to mention. So here we can see the bar is going to be the average return of stocks located in particular states. So how can you be sure that how Power BI is summarizing the stock return of firms located in the states by taking the average? All right. Maybe Power BI is doing the summation of the stock returns for firms located in a particular state. So how can you be sure? Well, you can always check the definition of the y-axis and the x-axis. Okay, so here if you go to the x-axis, the monthly return, once you hover your mouse here, the tooltip will show you the exact definition of this field. Okay, it's the average of a data field under the daily data set, okay, which is called monthly rate underscore C. All right. So clearly, here the definition tells you, yes, indeed, Power BI is going to find that data field called monthly rate underscore C, which is basically just the monthly return for stocks. Then Power BI is going to take average of it. And because here each data point is at the state level, Power BI is going to take that average over the stocks that are located in this particular state. So that's how you check and make sure whether the definition of a particular data point is exactly what you want it to show.